Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great. Learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you how to improve your English and how to start your speaking journey. English is the only language. This language is not difficult. And this language is not enemy. Okay? Your mind is a negative thought and English language is my enemy. It is not correct. Okay, you start your speaking journey. You have only two tips. You follow these tips and you can speak to English. Okay, my first things is you believe yourself. Sometime you are doing this work. Okay, first time you are believe yourself. Okay, you are believe yourself. You are talk to English. Okay, your your speaking is a right or wrong, but you are talking to English. Okay, you are slowly you rectify your mistake. You remember this the mistake. Okay, and you are correct this the mistake. Okay, and you start your speaking journey, and you are slowly you build your confidence. Okay, every person lots of mistake lots of mistake. Not no is a every perfect man. No. Okay, practice is a perfect man. Your daily practice, you build your confidence. Believe yourself. Okay, and my second thing is a consistency. Consistency is the most important. Okay, your daily consistent, your daily speak. Your speaking is right or wrong, but you speak, and you could speak to English. Okay, you a little bit you start your speaking journey. Okay, and you should learn this language. This language is the most important. You are getting this a job. English is the most important. Start now your speaking journey, and daily you daily try to sentence. Okay, short sentence without hesitations. Remove your hesitation, remove your fear. You are only thinking I will try to tomorrow, but tomorrow is a never come. Tomorrow is a not never. Tomorrow is a never come your life. Okay, and keep in mind keep in mind and currently need for this language. English is the most important, and you daily try to new things, and you can speak. Thank you watching this my video is a like and subscribe, and you can speak, and you can daily try, and keep practicing. Keep your mind. Okay, bye bye.